BlackFacts.com presents the Black Fact of the Day for August 6th. The Voting Rights Act of 1965 was signed into law by President Lyndon B. Johnson. Shortly following the American Civil War, 1861-65, the 15th Amendment was ratified, guaranteeing that the right to vote would not be denied on account of race, color, or previous condition of servitude. In the first half of the 20th century, the U.S. Supreme Court declared that several of the state laws regarding voting were unconstitutional. During the Civil Rights Movement, African American activists worked to secure equal rights legislation. In 1964, the Civil Rights Act was passed and the 24th Amendment, abolishing poll taxes for voting for federal offices, was ratified. In January 1965, Martin Luther King Jr., James Bevel, and other civil rights leaders organized several peaceful demonstrations in Selma, which were violently attacked by police and white counter-protesters. The combination of public revulsion to the violence and Johnson's political skills stimulated Congress to pass the Voting Rights Bill on 1965. The law had an immediate impact. By the end of 1965, 250,000 new black voters had been registered, one-third by federal examiners. Learn Black history, teach Black history at BlackFacts.com.